Hi, today I'm going to talk about how you can use tracing paper in your reMarkable Paper Pro bullet journal. What I like to do is when I find something on paper that looks like a great template for me to use in my bullet journal, what I can do is take that and use tracing paper to create a template of that I can then copy and paste and reuse as often as I'd like in my reMarkable Paper Pro bullet journal. So I came across this set of Post-its that are basically blank calendars, and I thought, what a great template to put in my reMarkable Paper Pro bullet journal, because I can just have one copy of this that I can copy and paste then electronically and specify the month and the days of the month and use this for my 1 month overview every single month from here after. So let me go over how we go about doing that using tracing paper to get it into that bullet journal template page. So the very first step is to take a piece of tracing paper and use it to trace this Post-it that I really want to get into my bullet journal. Then once we have this traced out on our tracing paper, like so, the next thing we're going to do is use that tracing paper to trace this into the reMarkable Paper Pro bullet journal. So then we end up with a template that can be copied and pasted. So if I want to move this whole blank template of a calendar that I've just put in here to one of my templates folders and files within the reMarkable Paper Pro, I can just move that around. I can copy it and paste it. And that means I can keep reusing it for whichever months I want to. So if this is the month of March, I can just write at the top there, March. And if this is the year 2026, I just write 2026.